All right, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and it's time to give away the Odiforgo milk frother, the one I did the review on. And don't forget, it also comes with a whisk, and this is basically a stir stick for those protein shakes or what, you know, milk chocolate, whatever you want to mix up. And yeah, so let's get this app together, and we'll. All right, let's see who won the milk frother. So I'm going to put the URL of the video. No duplicates. Milk frother. Okay. One winner. 5 plus 2. All right. Let's see if we can get the comments and get a winner. Looks like only 6 comments had milk frother, so let's see who wins. Douglas Vandervoort, 6625. Congratulations, Douglas. Let me give you the details here. What I need you to do is drop me an email at mankitchenrecipes@yahoo.com. I need your name, address, or whose ever name and address that you want me to have this Odiforgo milk frother shipped to, and we'll get that shipped to you. Thanks everybody for checking out the review, and it's the new year, and I hope everybody has a happy and prosperous new year. Thanks again for all of your support, and congratulations again to Douglas. All right, you guys all have a great day, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.